Here we got some fish and chips. Oh, this is so good. Some curry sauce and of course marinara sauce. So we're gonna do all three fish and chips, marinara sauce, and curry sauce for you guys. To start, here's the fish fillet we got. It's about half a kilo. Some onions and some tomato for the marinara sauce. Yes, some flour and breadcrumbs. We're gonna mix that together. And here we dredge the fish fillet on dry flour and breadcrumbs. Make sure it's all stuck there, and then we dip it in the batter, which is just flour and egg, and then we go dredge it again in the flour. Make sure it's all pressed good, so it's all stuck there together. Makes a good flavor. It's gonna be a good crust. Here's the first one. Yes, and the second one is here. So we do all of it. Once it's all done, yep, we heat up the oil here. Get the oil hot. Yes. Start with about two. Then we'll see how we can fit. If we can fit two or three, it will depend. Of course, we don't want it too crowded, so that this way it fries good, makes the fish crispy, just like the chips later. Right, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside is just perfect. Okay, my maid now is trying to check, trying to get a feel of how fast it would cook, or how fast or not fast it cooks. We have to check on this. So basically, this pair is like more like a test fry just to see. But it's kind of frying quick, right? Because the oil is really hot. So we'll make sure it's cooked in and out. Yep. So we'll let this sit there for a minute. We'll turn it again. Oh, it looks like it's getting there fast, really fast. This one is smaller, should be done first. It's a little bit more. Yep. It's frying good. Yeah. Yeah, this one is like almost done. And of course, subscribe. This way it helps the channel. And of course, hit the like button, because the more likes the video get, the more activity it shows to the algorithm. Helps the channel big time. Thank you. All right. Here. This one is done. The smaller one got done first. Then this one looks like it's done. Wait, let me flip it. We don't want this to break apart. We're putting it on the strainer so that it can drip off from its oil. Now we put the second batch here. I'm trying to see if we can put two or three that's equally spaced. Looks like here, when this gets a bit smaller, we can add one more. Then we added two more because it really got smaller and it's frying really good and quick. This is about as much as crowded as we want it to get. We don't want it even more crowded. This one is done. Yep, and this one too. Make sure you drip it off from the oil. This one, yes, and this. All right, just a few more next. Now here, this is the last batch, because we will leave the last two for Ate Vicky, our maid. That's gonna be her lunch, so she'll have her own fish and chips too, of course. I think there's space for one more. Over there, I'm showing her there's more space there. Yep. Okay, so this is gonna be the final batch. All right, it's gonna be really quick. Yep. Here's cooking nicely. And let me show you the last two for Ate Vicky. This is the last batch. Yep, this is gonna cook really fast. Well, once it's done, here you can see now it's the last two batch for Ate Vicky. It's almost done, so we set this aside so we can start on the marinara sauce. We get some oil from where we fry the fish. Get this hot and warm and ready. Now some onions. Make sure it's like, oiled up and all coated in oil, and once it gets, a little bit translucent, it's ready. Make sure we don't want it overcooked. We don't want the bitterness to come out. Oh, it's looking good. Yep. Yes. And now it's time for some garlic. This is 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Now we mix it well. Oh, this marinara sauce is gonna be so good. Yep. Some salt, like a teaspoon of salt, salt to give it some good taste. Mixing it now, it's getting close to having the onions ready. So just a little bit more, maybe like 30 seconds more, and then now it's good. Time for the tomatoes. Yes, we want the tomatoes cooked, like we want it soft and all crushed up. This way it's gonna be really good marinara sauce. Asked Vicky to slice up one chili, because we want the marinara sauce a bit on the spicy side. So instead of cutting it, we use scissors for the chili. It's gonna be good. Yep, there you go. All right, we'll mix it, make sure everything is cooked. And later on, we would add about a half a cup of water, just to make sure it dissolves. It softens the tomatoes and makes a good sauce. Yep, and here it is. After adding about half a cup of water, but we let it reduce, and now it's here all reduced. It's all crushed and good. Yep, yeah. This sauce is gonna be set aside. Now next up is the curry sauce. This is onions and ginger. Yep. Then we saute this, make sure everything is good, and once it's translucent, we start with the next batch. Here you go. Yep. Looking good, looking good. Yep. Now there's some garlic, 2 cloves of crushed garlic. This is really simple. I mean, if you have chicken curry, you can get some sauce from that, but making this from scratch is this easy. Now a bit of salt, about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure you mix it well. Yes. This is about a spoon of curry powder. Oh wait, looks like you need some more. Let Auntie Vicky mix it. Now here, another spoon. So 2 spoons of curry powder. That's about it. Yes. Oh, you can smell the curry is so good. Yes. Now I'm gonna cut a chili for it, so it's gonna be really good in the spice. I mean, just a little bit, a small kick. It's not gonna be too spicy, just a small kick. It's gonna be really good. And now 1 full spoon of yogurt. Well, 2 spoons of yogurt. Here you go. Wait, some one more, just a bit more. Yep. There you go. About 2 spoons of yogurt. It's gonna be good. Yes. Make sure the heat is quite low, and you can add water if it starts to reduce fast, because yogurt tends to reduce really fast. Yes, we let it simmer for a bit. Yep. And here we added about half a cup of water. As you can see, there's more sauce. Yes. We keep cooking it like this. It's almost done. It's almost done for the curry sauce for the fish and chips. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Yep. That's it. Turn off the heat. All that. Curry sauce for the fish and chips. Let's go to the dining table. Here's the fish and chips, yes, and the curry sauce and the marinara sauce. All this is so good. Yes, it's gonna be a good lunch. This, and me and my brother are gonna enjoy it so good. Yep. And also you can click here for all the good stuff. But man, look at those. The fish and chips. This is like I can't imagine how, if I won't have it every day. If I was in the UK, I'd probably have it every day, because this is so good. So thanks for watching, and subscribe. This way you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right, yeah.